Have you ever wondered how to get started as an affiliate marketer? Well, today is your lucky day. In the next few minutes, we will demystify the process of becoming an affiliate marketer. We'll break it down into clear, easy-to-follow steps so you can start your journey to affiliate marketing success. First and foremost, the journey begins with choosing a niche. You might ask, what is a niche? Well, a niche is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. When choosing a niche, consider your interests, expertise, and the potential profitability. It's always better to choose something you are passionate about because that passion will shine through in your marketing efforts. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to select affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. There are countless affiliate programs out there, each with their own benefits and drawbacks. Some offer higher commissions, others offer better support. It's important to research each program thoroughly and choose the one that best fits your needs and goals. Now that you've selected your niche and affiliate programs, it's time to build a platform. This could be a blog, a website, a YouTube channel, or even a social media account. However, it's crucial to ensure that the platform you choose aligns with your audience's preferences. For example, if your target audience is young and tech-savvy, a YouTube channel or Instagram account might be more effective. Building a platform isn't just about creating a place to promote products. It's also about building trust and establishing a relationship with your audience. By consistently providing valuable content, you demonstrate your expertise and establish yourself as a trusted source of information. Now that we've covered the key steps, it's time to summarize. Becoming an affiliate marketer involves choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, selecting affiliate programs that fit your needs, and building a platform to engage with your audience. Remember, successful affiliate marketing is not just about promoting products. It's about building relationships and providing value. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep going, because the journey to affiliate marketing success is just as important as the destination.